Do you want to make great progress in your life? This is the one thing you need to check out. The one thing that you need to check out in order to ensure that you are creating abundance of growth in your life is check out whether you are in your comfort zone. And to find out the answer for that, you need to answer the 3 questions. The first one, answer to yourself whether you are learning something new every day. And the second one, answer to yourself whether you are having the scope to implement something new on a daily basis. And third, the most important, answer to yourself whether you are finding yourself more satisfied but yet empty. So these are the 3 questions. If there is yes to any one of these questions, then it means that you are already in a comfort zone and you need to take forward some step to get yourself out of the comfort zone and move to the next level in your life. If you like this video, share to your friends and also subscribe to our channel so that you get regular updates from us. Wishing you abundance of happiness and success.